We have these delicious Polish sliders from U.S. Wellness Meat, along with grass-fed ribeye of the bison. But it looks absolutely delicious. These are just about ready to turn. This is easy as could be. Just salt, pepper, and you're gonna have a delicious dinner thanks to U.S. Wellness Meat. So I greatly appreciate that. Look at the steak. Look at the sear on that. These little sliders. How pretty. Little Polish sliders. Looks awfully delicious. We're gonna carve up this beautiful buffalo ribeye while our marinara sauce cooks for our little Polish style meatballs. So let's see how this looks. Thank you, camera woman mother.
Yummy.
Tell me that's not perfect. There's nothing else to do here. There's salt and pepper, that's it. I mean, this is all you need when you have really high quality, delicious things. So this is it.
Does the camera woman get in?
You'll get a good turn. The bison itself, it's so full of flavor. You can literally taste the grassy notes of what the animal's eating. It's, oh my god. It's just unbelievable. It's one of the best steaks I've ever had in my life. So yeah, it's good. I'm gonna eat more. I got some for camera woman, my mom, right now. Is take our sauce, like so, on each inside. Like that. Look at that. Polish style meatball. You can have a poached egg over this, will go absolutely delicious. Some Parmigiano Reggiano, some nice raw, high quality cheese over the top. Simple and delicious. There's nothing like it. Add some fresh parsley. Just let it rain down on the plate. Yes, sir. And if you like spice, like we do, you got some jalapeno, nice high vitamin C, accompanied our grass-fed meat. Look at that. Beautiful. Now we have to do a taste test, of course. So let's try this out. Let me get a nice piece of garlic. Words can't even describe. Words can't even describe how delicious that is. Unbelievable. Breakfast sausage for dinner. Meatballs, Italian meatball style out of breakfast sausage. You can't go wrong. Have a good day. Italy meets Poland.